Welcome back to the channel, folks. When we left off here last night, we had accomplished getting the rad saddle off. I took the wire wheel and gave it a pretty good going over. I can see that I've missed a few spots, so I'm going to continue on with that and then start cleaning these two inner fenders because I'm going to paint them black. Get those two done, and then we'll be ready to start putting parts back together. As you can see, it's the oversized cup wheel on a small grinder, and these things are just wicked. Yeah, but they do a good job. So now I give it this one here, which is a little safer to use than that big one. Yeah, this will do the job. So there we have that all cleaned up, actually down to bare metal pretty much. And all in here, wherever there was a little bit of surface rust, and in here, give all that a good cleaning up, and all the way down the little hole there. It's going to need a little patch, but and that little one there. Oh, hold it steady. And then this is all good here. All right, so that's probably enough for us all. So I'm just going to try and get this semi-clean. It's no show truck, it's a work truck. As long as it holds together, that's what counts. Alright, that's a lot better already. I think once I get this clean, I'm going to probably hit it with a Scotch-Brite. Well, that's one way of doing it. So now I'm going to just take this Scotch-Brite and scuff it up. We'll try some acetone. Oh, that'll do it. So I'm just going to use a bit of this rust treatment stuff. Shouldn't take much. And just coat the spots that are necessary. I'll leave it overnight. I guess you could spray this stuff on too if you wanted, if you had a big project or a big frame. Probably put it in a spray gun and spray it, but for something like this, all you need is a brush. And once that dries, it's ready for primer. No problem. So they told me I'll let that dry for a couple hours at least, and then I'll just come in and wipe off the excess, and then tomorrow I'll be ready for some primer and eventually some paint. All right, folks, thanks for watching. We got another a big part of it done again today, and then tomorrow we'll just carry on with the same thing. All this here treated metal has dried up, and it's time for some primer. Let that set up overnight, then give it a light sand on the rough spots, and then we'll be ready for the black paint. Okay, that's going to do it for tonight. I'm going to get out of these fumes and get back at it tomorrow. Welcome back to the channel, folks. It's the next day, and I've got all the inner fenders primed up, and it's all ready for the final coat of, well, final two coats of semi-gloss black paint. This is actually a stove pipe paint, that kind of thing. It's high heat, but it's not really what I need, but this is going to work. And I've got some chassis paint here for the front part of this frame, so that's going to work there. And let me just bring you in a bit closer. You can see what's been going on. As you can see, Got the fender wells pretty much primed up. Wherever there was bare metal or rust, they were all treated and primed. Same on this side. Got it all taped up, as you can see. I used about 5 rolls of tape. Couldn't find any newspaper, so I went with just all tape. But that'll work. This is not a big fancy job either, so I've got everything I need here. I got the paint. I got a bit better mask this time, so it won't get fumigated as bad. And I got my hat. I got my lucky shirt, so nothing can go wrong. I think I'll start with the chassis paint. Good. There we go.